Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the USDC update. Finally, man, I was actually super pumped to talk about USDC today, and it's such an incredible thing that happened to USDC. I don't know what happened, but this is really amazing to see USDC all of a sudden just pushed to the upside. We have seen 250% move in the last 24 hours, and that's pretty crazy. That's why I do say some of these coins are just for long term. You don't have to be bothered what's going on. So what I'm trying to talk about, if you don't know, is that there are 3 more days to close the private. And yeah, of course, let me just tell you why. Of course, private is really important. I do have this video, and this video is called Patching and Management, which was unlisted, which has 56 views. Of course, this is for the ones who are on the paid one. Now, basically, on this was made 9 months ago, and in 9 months ago, I was talking about this very coin here.
Remember this. I told you USDC to buy USDC for the long term, and I also tell you to buy USDC for trading purpose. And I did actually invest $250 in USDC when it was at 0.0022 something, I guess, and then it went to 0.004 something. So imagine that $250 profits. Even right now, I'm still in profits with that one. Why did I invest $250? Because I have another savior.
All right, so that's pretty much all. All right, these were coins that I was calling a long time ago. Now, along with USDC, I've given some few more, of course. Luna Classic is probably even one of them. Now, the thing is that the whole Luna family right now is pretty much moving to the upside. You know, Luna Classic moved up, Luna 2.0 is moving up, and USDC is moving up, which is pretty solid to see. Now, did you notice one more thing that when I went to the Terra station, which is a Chrome extension, basically where you do get a wallet for storing your Terra Classic something, they actually have a little bit of a delay right now for transferring the coins, and this happens because whenever you see the market pumps, all of a sudden everything starts to freeze. Even Binance starts to freeze and stuff like that. So the pump took off back in 26 of or 25 of November, right? So from 25 it escalated all the way up to 27, and this is your 250% move to the upside. So if you want to be a part of that private, which is pretty sick right now, you can actually join by messaging me on Twitter, which is my Twitter right now, and I'm going to show you. This is the handle, AdamCoins_. So 3 more days left, and if you want to be a part of it, act fast. I just need 10 people, okay? Or just enjoy these videos for absolutely free. So let's do USDC on a Q coin, or maybe OKX. Let's actually see what happens here. I need, yeah, this one, okay? So this is what I want to look at. So basically, you had a very big falling wedge for USDC, something like this. So this is the falling wedge, and let me tell you one more thing, all right? Luna Classic pretty much has the very same falling wedge. Luna Classic has pretty much the same thing. If I go here, I've talked about this before, and I'm just going to show you that's your falling wedge, right? This falling wedge, and you have a technical target to basically see Luna Classic absolutely taking off to that technical target. So that's just another, I'm going to talk about it in detail in one of the video today. Now the thing is, I was lucky enough to actually get USDC down at 0.08 as well. I first bought it here, and then I secondly did a dollar cost average somewhere around here 9 months ago. Now I saw it going down, and I still wasn't bothered, made a double bottom, and today all of a sudden you have moved to the upside. Now this move is very similar to that move right over there, which is pretty crazy, right? Now at this point of time, what you're struggling with is to break above 0.06657, and maybe we might just see this technical target being broken at this point of time. And if you actually break above it, then you are looking for 0.099 and even above, right? So if you do come up here, take out this high right there, then you pretty much are looking to even continue to the upside. Now basically, because this is a stable coin, do remember that USDC is a stable coin. Long-term prediction for me is maybe $1. Okay, that's where it makes sense, and I kind of have a belief, or let's just say a confidence level, that we may actually have $1. Maybe not in this move exactly, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow in this move, who knows, but probably let's just keep it simple and say during the bull run that we may have in the future, if the top is going to come, then I do expect USTC to actually hit that $1 mark. So that's it for this Terra USTC update, I guess, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.